Hi, welcome to our house. My name is Mel, this is my wife Dana. We work for Ideal Weight Loss. We have been maintaining our weight for quite some time. After losing, my wife lost 65 pounds on the protocol and I lost 27 pounds. And we oftentimes get asked, how do you keep your weight off? Well, we have to make sure that on a weekly basis that we're preparing our food for the week. If you do that, you're going to definitely be more prepared moving forward in the future. So what I've got prepared for you today is a zucchini and pico dip, kind of what we call zucchini hummus. So getting right into it, it's not very hard to do. I'm going to take some zucchini. I've got some already started here, so we're going to cut that up, just kind of cube it up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but what we're going to do is throw that into the NutriBullet. And these guys have already been washed, so when we get into the next step here, we'll have to peel them. Guys in here like that. Now, I'm making this is usually going to be 2 different servings, and you'll actually end up using a little bit more ingredients. So you can make a smaller batch for yourself using just 1 tablespoon of each thing, but we're actually going to go ahead and use 2. So that looks pretty good there. We'll throw this off to the side. So we got our zucchini there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need some lemon juice. So we've got 1 lemon here. I'm going to cut that in half and set that off to the side. Just take this little container here and we're just going to juice up some lemon. Of course, be careful not to get the seeds in there. Squeeze that out. Dana, if you could get the seeds out of that, that would be awesome. Squeeze the rest of this in here, like so. Good. So that's the first step. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to take a pinch of sea salt. So it doesn't have to be a lot, just a pinch. Just kind of drop that in there. We can flavor it later. I got a little bit of cayenne here, so cayenne definitely will give it a little bit of a kick. And of course we do need some olive oil or grapeseed oil. We prefer to use grapeseed oil. So it's 1 tablespoon of that, like so. And then again, I've got a little bit of lemon juice in there, but we're going to make just a little bit more, just about a tablespoon. Pop that in there like that. So that's pretty simple. First, then we'll go ahead and get that pureed up. NutriBullets work real well. Good. So now we got that done. That's number 1. And you don't have to clean the container out if you're going back for a second serving until the end. Pop that in there like so. And then again, we'll start on that second batch. Pretty simple.
And what are we going to use this on?
Well, I tell you, there's many different things you can do. In a phase 1 world, you can have it as a dip, and you can have some cucumbers. You can have some cut up celery, and that makes a perfect phase 1 snack. And of course, everything that we're eating is all vegetables. So to take into consideration, what we'll do there is if you're in a later phase, maybe phase 3 or phase 4, you could possibly use a little bit in phase 3 as like for some of your breakfast and maybe some omelets. Secondary thing you could do in phase 4 is you could certainly use some form of a low carb chip or pita, but we tend to go more in the vegetable world. Let's get this done real quick.
This lemon.
It's always good to wash your vegetables, and if you're going to reuse a utensil that has been cut on dirty as well, you definitely want to go ahead and clean that up as well. Good. Alright, so now we got our zucchini in there. Probably won't need this whole thing, so we're going to take a half and kind of finish up here. Again, it doesn't have to be big chunks or small chunks, just whatever's going to make life easy. So there you go. So we're going to add, again, 1 more tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Make that pretty simple. Like so. Good. Take that pinch of sea salt.
Lemon juice.
Yep. Like that. You can always, depending on flavor and taste buds. You can throw that together. And we have that last 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You know what? Might as well just dump it all.
Dump it in there.
Yeah, we'll finish that up.
A little extra is good.
Put that to the side. Come back here.
This would
And
also be a
if you
great
would drop
lunch.
me a cucumber, that would be fantastic. So we've got our second batch here. Alright, so get that all pureed nice and easy. Simple here. Now again, you got to remember the vegetables you're using, and you can easily measure this out a little bit later. Get all that out there. So there's our zucchini, our sea salt. We'll go ahead and take just a dash of the cayenne in here just to give it a little bit of spice, not much. Again, it all depends on your flavor, taste buds. Mix that in nice and easy. And then what I got here is just a standard pico. You can get this from your local store. You definitely want to make sure that you're getting fresh made. Of course, fresh made, you're not going to get everything in there that you're not supposed to have, especially on phase 1. So you can get pico, you can get fresh made salsa, whatever's going to work for you. Okay? Take that there, and all we're going to do is we're going to fold this just like that inside. Nice and easy. And then we're just going to fold this through. This is awesome to make for any type of party or gathering you're having. It's just a very fun tasting way to get some vegetables in. There we go. Alright, so there we go. We got our zucchini hummus. And we're going to take a little bit of cucumbers, one of my favorites. And of course, let's see here, have a little fun.
Mel likes to make it look pretty.
And there we go. So you can simply do up some cucumbers like so, or another thing I like to do, so it makes you feel like you're being bad, you can kind of cut little pieces like this. And there you have it. So what you do is get yourself your own little container, grab your spoon. Again, this makes a great lunch. I know for some folks they love those Ideal Weight Loss chips. Any chip will be great to chip and dip. Again, if you're not looking for ideal protein food for the hummus, or you just want to party, there you have it. Dana, want to go to try?
Yes. Is enough cayenne?
That's perfect. So there you have it. That's a very quick, easy way to make a great dip, whether it's for your everyday life, you're having some family, some friends over, a party, whatever's going to work for you. So there you have it.
Good job, Mel!